Igniters have been lit.
9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff at dawn. The dawn of Orion and a new era of American space exploration.
Good engine control on the first stage. Passing 25 seconds. Velocity 1,341 feet per second. Passing 31 seconds, still looking good. Good engine control. Good chamber pressure in all three boosters in the full power mode. 40 seconds in. Standing by to go to the partial thrust mode in the core. And we have partial thrust command in the core. Core chamber pressure beginning to drop as expected as we're coming up on the 1 minute mark.
Seven, 6, 5, 4. Engine ignition, 2, 1, 0. Release and liftoff. As the countdown to Mars continues, the perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet.
And Atlas TU has gone to closed loop control. Coming up on 30 seconds into flight, the RD-180 is throttling down as expected. Engine response looks good.
9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the Cassini spacecraft on a billion-mile trek to Saturn. Pitch program is in, roll program is in. We have cleared the tower, and the
Cassini spacecraft is on its way to Saturn. T plus 20 seconds. All systems are go. Jupiter Inlet Tracking Station now acquiring data. All systems go.
Two, one. MDS, we have ignition. We have a liftoff.
Red program is in on time. Vehicle response is normal.
EVC plus voltage look good. Tank pressures look good.
Okay, MDS. Engine program was in on time. Vehicle response was normal also. Very smooth flight. Very, very small attitude disturbances.
What a very smooth flight so far. No problem at all.
T-minus
10,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have ignition and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket carrying the GPS-3 Magellan mission for the United States Air Force Space and Missile Systems Center.
Body rate response looks good. Now 15 seconds into flight.
You are hearing the voice of Patrick Moore providing launch
Main engine
vehicle
chamber
ascent
pressure
data.
looks good. Seeing good chamber pressure across both